Hey guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, this is the first time you're clicking on my channel. My name is Medilog. You're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and remember to always give me thumbs up whenever you watch my video. Okay, see, thumbs up is like this. Okay, and I have a rule and I've been observing it in my comment section. If you have any question or any comment that requires answers from me, please give me thumbs up before you ask me any question. And guys, if you give me thumbs up, it is a sign that you like my kind of content and you like that particular content I uploaded, and I will do more by looking for more information in that area. So please join us, okay? Don't just watch my video and go, okay? Join us and let us be one family. I'm sure you'll be glad you did, okay? Thank you. Guys, for those who have been coming back to watch our video, you have been supporting us. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for always keeping up with me. Thank you for always being there. You're all my personal persons. Yes. So guys, see, today I want to show us something. I want to show something. See, yeah, should I say yesterday? I don't know when you're going to see this video. I uploaded a video recently. Let me just use that word. And I talked about this herb. It is called eucalyptus leaf. Yes. Eucalyptus leaf, it is a very potent and strong herb spiritually. Apart from the herbal importance it provides. I told us in that video, although only how many people watched that video? You guys, when we are talking about something that will help you, you will not watch it. You're only looking for spiritual things, something you rub, something you put on your head, something you... what about your health? Share, when you are alive, that is when you do spirituality. When you are healthy, that money you are looking for, if you don't have good health, will you enjoy it? I said you guys should boil this thing. If you have it, you are blessed. It's all over the northern part of Nigeria. They have a lot of it. Yes. So, and realize that some people are placing order for this. Why are you placing order for this thing? You're stressing me now. I have so many things. If you're placing order for this now, it means I have to collect it, package it, and go and be speaking grammar at the DHL office before I can send it to you. I've agreed to ship it to some people so far, but if you're in Nigeria, please get it. Your community is in your farm, it's in your village, okay? Guys, see, this leaf bar, I want to show you how you can rescue your marriage, your relationship with it. Yes. When we were kids, there's a way they used to do it. Like now, you see this one now, this is the front, right? And then this is the back. This is the front, this is the back. Just like the way you use bay leaf to write your wish, you can use this eucalyptus leaf to do a lot of spiritual wonders with it. I want to show us one simple one today in this video. When you know this, you don't have to worry about somebody collecting your husband, somebody this and that. Okay? What you need to do is get your pen. This one is your husband, and this one is the side chick. Okay? This is your husband. This is the side chick. And I want to show us now how you can separate them on your own by yourself. Yes. I'll be right back. Simple solutions to life. welcome back. It is not only women that will use this thing. Even men can use it too. Because there are some men that side guy will come and take your woman away from you also. Yes. We have side chicks, we have side guy also. So you can use it also for your own spirituality. But before then, I want to show you back to sender. Yes. Back to sender is a very strong herb that returns every evil back to whoever sent it to you. Yes, it neutralizes. And back to sender, a lot of people are giving me testimonies now. You know, somebody bought back to sender and favor soap, just these two. And he sent me his testimonies 3 days ago that he just got a job. After many years of looking for a job, he just got job, good quality job. So what are we saying? It is not we, it is not our product, it is God that is using it. Okay? Are you sick? You don't understand what is wrong with you. Today you are in the hospital, tomorrow you are in the hospital, you are in the chemist, all the pharmacy around your vicinity, they know you. And yet you are still struggling with sickness because what is wrong with you is not a medical disease, but it is a spiritual disease. Get Atekpa. Atekpa will neutralize any spiritual affliction in your body. Yes, if you have spiritual affliction in your body, no matter the treatment they give you in the hospital, it will escort your enemy to the grave. So, God, that one will not be your portion. Okay? Get Atekpa and neutralize it. Let your enemy go and think of another thing. Yes, Atekpa will be very, very good for you. And this one is anti-bullet. Yeah? I wrote Egbe on it. This is anti-bullet. This is gun protection. For those of you who are living in a country where there are a lot of gun running, you know, somebody can just come out and start shooting gun. See, this is for gun protection. You are a soldier man, you are a policeman, you are facing all these criminals all the time, sudden attack, you know, and all that on you. And you just wear jackets, only bulletproof jackets, only back and front. If they want to kill you, they will aim at your head, they will aim at your neck, they will aim at your waist, they will aim at your leg, they will shoot you in a place where you can bleed to death. Why would you have to worry yourself about only a small, tiny bullet jacket when somebody can even shoot you from the sideways and it will penetrate you? Get original bulletproof that even bullet cannot penetrate your hair. That is the kind of protection you need. But if you are an armed robber, you are a thief, you want to go and rob people, you want to protect yourself against police gun, this one will not work for you. Don't call me. But if you are a legitimate person, you are an army officer, you are a policeman, you are living you are a civilian, but you want to protect yourself against a gunshot. At times you may be in business with somebody, your partners will send assassin to go and eliminate you because they don't want to share the profit with you. They will come and open fire on you. You are driving on the road, just cross your way and then open fire and they disappear. And then they leave police to be suffering, to be looking for who kill you. This one, they will not even succeed. They will just shoot you, They will keep going. They will see that you take off again and start pursuing them. They will run into lagoon. Because they will say, we have killed this man, it must be his ghost that is pursuing us. You understand? That is how it is. This is what they call levels. So, guys, place your order. It's very cheap. Your life is not as expensive. I mean, your life, this thing is not as expensive as your life. Your life is very precious. If your brother, your uncle, your husband is in the force and you're just watching him like that, you just go out ordinary and come back ordinary until the day they'll come and give you bad news. All these bandits or whatever, they came home and there's so casualty. You begin to make phone call. This before you start crying and you're watching my video. Help your husband. Help your brother. Yes. They will shoot gun, but it will not kill him. You'll come back home alive. You'll be very fine. You will only see with his eyes, but you will never come near him or her. Yes, this is reality. This is spiritual reality. Yes, I said spirituality has become reality or physicality, yes. So guys, now write your husband's name on this one. Take for example now, your husband's name is Elvis. I don't know anybody with that name. Elvis. Your husband's name is Elvis. And then the woman, the one that is taking your husband from you, what is her name? Her name is Lexus. Lexus, because I don't know anybody carry that name. Let me not come and mention somebody's name on this channel, I beg. I know of course correct. See, Lexus, Elvis. Elvis is your husband. Lexus is the woman that is taking your husband away from you. Just look at it here. So we are going to turn the back like this. Turn the back like this. Then fold it. If you like, you can leave it like this and then burn it like this. Say your intention. You understand? Say your prayer. Say what you want concerning this. As I turn their backs against themselves like this, and as I'm burning this thing, let their back be turned against each other. And as I'm burning this thing, let whatever they feel, whatever is holding them together, let it evaporate. Let their love disappear. Let their love evaporate. Then you burn it. Okay? You can fold it, fold it tight very well. Then you can put it inside fire and burn it. Or you can just hold it like this. After you have said your prayer, you just set it on fire. Make sure it's dried. You understand? When you dry it, then you burn it. This is eucalyptus leaf. It is highly potent. Apart from this, you can also use it to do so many other things. Okay? Maybe if time permits, we can discuss that maybe some other time. Okay? So see you guys in our next video. Thank you.